Latest member of the Super Smile family. We're so excited to have you on the show.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here.
I gotta tell you, this is my toothpaste that I use every single day.
Same.
It's the easiest way to get your teeth white. It's the way to get them white without any of the sensitivity. It starts whitening the second you use it. And in fact, after just 5 days of use, you can get up to 6 shades whiter. What's it called? The Works. Of course it is. Today, you're gonna get a duo. They should be $50 each. You get both of them for $59 or 4 payments of $14.75. Now, your item number for this is a 622952. Now, Briar, you are a dentist who sees patients and you see like staining regularly.
All the time.
And
all love our wine,
yeah,
coffee,
exactly.
and everything else.
And so this is something that actually uses, like, not the traditional harsh bleaching that, like, I remember when bleaching came out. It actually uses something called Calprox in order to get our teeth whiter.
Yes, and that's what I love about this product so much is that Calprox is an encapsulated calcium, phosphate, and minerals that actually helps remineralize your teeth just like your natural tooth structure. So unlike many toothpastes that are abrasive, it doesn't have silica in it, which is like sand. So most toothpaste over the counter do have silica in the toothpaste.
And so like, what are we seeing here? Like, this is after one brushing.
Isn't that incredible?
Wow, like up to 1.4 shades whiter.
Yes.
And, you know, in the before, I mean, again, this is a dramatic difference after just one brushing, but after 5 days, this looks really, really dramatic.
Yes, you get professional whitening results just by using this toothpaste. And you're also helping your overall health of your teeth. You're taking care of your gums, and it's non-abrasive, so you're not going to damage restorations, you're not going to damage your tooth structure. You're actually going to make yourself healthier.
You know, I also find that sometimes whitening toothpastes, like the not like, you know, high-end ones, will actually hurt my gums. Like they'll cause them to inflame, right? Or if it has too much peroxide in it, it'll actually cause my gums to inflame. This gives you a smooth, clean, fresh, minty feeling in your mouth, which is what you want from your toothpaste. But at the same time, it's giving you that super white smile that you're looking for. So if you're drinking coffee, tea, red wine, you know, I'm the guy that loves ketchup on his hamburger, right? And you know, on my fries and things like that. You don't have to worry because all of those things that could stain a white t-shirt can actually stain your teeth.
Yes, and those stains don't come off unless you're protecting them. One of the things that this really helps with, this toothpaste, because of Calprox, our proprietary ingredient.
And that's what makes this different, correct?
Yes, exactly. You can't find it on any other toothpaste. This is the only brand that has it. So the Works is incredible because it has the accelerator and your toothpaste combined. So it's just one simple step. If you have a busy lifestyle, you want to whiten your teeth, get that extra boost of confidence, feel better about your teeth and be able to take care of them, this is the product to use.
And it's just 2 minutes of brushing a day. Now, I, of course, always use it on my sonic toothbrush. But, of course, you could do manual toothbrushing as well.
Yep, 2 minutes twice a day and on a dry toothbrush. You can use your electric toothbrush, your regular toothbrush, and brush 2 times a day, and you can get 5 shades whiter.
Wow.
6 shades whiter, actually, in 5 days.
Well,
it's
listen,
incredible.
We have fewer than 600 to go around. There's no auto delivery on this. I personally do stock up on this. It has a 2-year shelf life unopened, so that's really great. But look at this. Look at this before. After 30 days, you know, in the before, all I see is the color. Right? In the after, I actually see the smile.
Exactly. That's what's really special about it, is you're seeing the smile, and you'll see someone's face and their happiness, and you don't have to use it very long to get those results, but they continue working the longer you use it.
Now, she has yellowing in her teeth, but what about people who have graying in their teeth, right? Because there are different types of staining in the teeth.
Exactly.
Look at how it turns white after just 30 days.
It's incredible. So the red wine, blueberries, those things, as well as aging can cause graying. One of the things that causes the graying in our teeth is actually using harsh abrasive toothpaste that end up wearing away some of your enamel because it becomes more translucent, you get more graying. So if you see signs of that, you need a more gentle toothpaste.
We have another before and after we're going to show right now, and this one is really great, right? Because the thing is that in the before, again, I don't see a smile at all even, right? But in the after, because they're white, they really do shine through. And really, it is just the fact that the white reflects the light, and then it just attracts everyone to that area. Like, that's why we use highlighters in our makeup and on our face all the time. This really gives you that true white, bright smile. And I know that a lot of people think, you know, that like, am I too far gone when it comes to skincare, when it comes to cosmetic type of products?
Right.
Is there like this will help with staining.
Yes.
No matter how old the stain is, it will continue to lighten as much as possible.
You're completely right. And I'll actually tell you a funny story today.
Yeah?
About I had a patient who came in, she said, I've gone through 3 times of chemo and I'm finally in remission. I need to invest in myself. She's like, I think I'm ready for veneers. I'm like, well, you have great teeth. You have a great shape to your teeth. Like, I don't think you need veneers. You just need to lighten and brighten. But even if you do decide to do veneers, we want to get this base wider so that we can get a better result and not remove more enamel than we need to.
That's great.
And she's like, are you serious? I can do that with a toothpaste? So like, that's like such an easy investment in yourself to give yourself a better health. And also you're taking care of your teeth. You're taking care of your gums.
Now, I want to remind you, this is a full oral health care system that you're getting here, right? So it does, it has fluoride in it, right?
It does,
and so it
yes.
actually is really great for your teeth. It should be $100. They should be $50 each. Today we have them for you at $59 for both. And you get that easy pay of $14.75. Try it for yourself. If you don't see the difference, you can always send it back, A622-952. Let's talk about how much to use, okay? Because the thing is that like traditional Super Smile, you would use like a pea-sized amount of the whitening toothpaste, a pea-sized amount of the activator. This has both in one.
And we found that it's actually supercharged. So you can use a pearl-sized amount on a dry toothbrush. It's important not to dilute it. So when you use a dry toothbrush, a pearl-sized amount, brushing your teeth twice daily, and you can see those results.
Yeah. Listen, I know that when I first came to QVC, I don't know if you know who Sandra Bennett is, because I know you're very new to being on air with us, but Sandra Bennett's a very good friend of mine, and I remember she said she used Super Smile, and the second I saw her smile, I said, oh my gosh, I need to buy Super Smile, and I tried it for myself. Well, that's kind of the way it works. Everybody in the building uses Super Smile because the thing is, it's the easiest way to whiten your teeth. No trays, no strips, no bleaches, no gels, no discomfort, no waiting at all, right?
Yeah.
After one brushing, you can get 1.4 shades whiter. After 5 days, that's just brushing twice a day, by the way, you can get up to 6 shades whiter, and that's what we're seeing right over here.
It's incredible results. And it's hopefully just replacing the toothpaste you're already using. So it's not even adding additional step in your routine. You're going straight from your regular toothpaste to this toothpaste, which is non-abrasive, and it doesn't cause sensitivity. That's the biggest problem I have when I used to do bleaching. I haven't done bleaching in 8 years now.
Oh, yeah?
Because it'd be so sensitive. I couldn't enjoy my favorite foods like ice cream.
Ice cream, teas, coffees, like anything that's either hot or cold. Sometimes even a Sauvignon Blanc.
Exactly.
Really, like this is the best way to do it. Briar, it is such a pleasure to have you on our show today.
Thank you so much for being here. Me. I
Listen,
appreciate
she did
it.
great. It was her first time on air. We love her. Yes, a round of applause. Listen, continue picking this up. A622-952 is your item number. Thank you. I hope to see you again very soon. All right, so listen, we've got more great beauty for you on the way. Oh, Jen, our live